That mess of symbols isn't a cat's walk across your keyboard. It guards millions of passwords. I'll prove it's as logical as English. Is this code, or did a cat just walk across your keyboard? That's Regex, and it's not as random as it looks. Believe it or not, this isn't random chaos. That exact expression enforces password rules on millions of websites. And by the end, you'll decode it completely. Regular expressions emerged in the 1950s as a mathematical tool for describing patterns in text. Today, that same concept enforces password strength on countless websites across the internet. In 1968, Ken Thompson made regular expressions practical in Unix's editor. grep, Global Regular Expression Print, brought pattern matching to every pipeline. Today, Regex lives in every language, editor, and database. Its cryptic symbols remain the fastest, most powerful way to tame complex text patterns. But at its core, Regex starts with simple literals. The pattern cat matches the exact letters C, A, T in sequence. But what if we want any uppercase letter? Character classes solve this. Oyase matches one of any. 09 matches any digit. Quantifiers handle repetition. Asterisk 0 or more. +1 or more. Question mark optional. So color matches color and color. The dot is a wild card, matching any single character except new line. So C matches cat, cot, even cut. Now, anchors pin patterns to edges. The caret matches the start. So hello finds lines beginning with hello. A $sign matches the end. So world dollar finds lines ending with world. We can now group subpatterns together. The vertical bar means or. So, need to match a literal dot. Escape it with a backslash. Without it, the dot matches any character. The backslash forces an exact match. Remember the escape dot. Here it is in action. This Regex validates emails, with the local part, domain, and a literal dot before the extension. Now let's tackle phone numbers. This Regex handles country codes, area codes, and flexible separators like dashes, dots, and spaces, matching many international formats. Just like phone numbers, dates follow strict patterns. ISO dates use 4 digits, -2, -2. Our Regex extracts these date stamps straight from messy logs. Now URLs. This Regex catches HTTP and HTTPS addresses, skipping spaces and punctuation, highlighting every link in the paragraph. This look ahead asserts an uppercase letter exists somewhere ahead. It scans without consuming, so all requirements are checked independently. To catch repeated words, we use a back reference. The pattern captures a word, then /1 matches that exact word again. Watch how that lights up, now removing extra spaces. The pattern /s plus matches white space runs. Replacing with 1 space turns a messy line into clean, readable text. Need to count errors in a massive log file? One grep command with a word boundary pattern finds every error line instantly. That's Regex saving hours. Now, find and replace. Regex can reorder date formats. Swap year, month, day with 3 capture groups. One pass fixes the entire document. In this Regex, look-aheads are just checks. The first needs an uppercase letter. The second needs a digit. They don't consume text. Then the character class matches letters, digits, and symbols, at least 8 times. Combined with the look-aheads, the whole pattern confirms a strong password. That same validation takes 30 lines of loop logic, but Regex does it in 1 single line. Concise, fast, and once you learn it, absolutely indispensable. But when Regex gets tangled, debugging becomes a nightmare. Some people, when confronted with a problem, think, I know, I'll use Regex. Now they have 2 problems. Keep Regex maintainable using verbose mode, inline comments, and named groups. Break complex patterns into readable sections. But watch out, patterns like this can cause catastrophic backtracking, freezing your application. This is called a DDoS attack, a real security risk. Some people, when faced with a problem, think, I know, I'll use regular expressions. Now they have 2 problems. All jokes aside, here's real advice. Don't memorize Regex symbols. Focus on building blocks, and test with Regex 101 or Regex. Interactive demos help it click. So finally, remember, Regex isn't random keyboard smashing. It's just a compact, logical language. Master these building blocks, and pattern matching becomes second nature. You've got this. Regex looks cryptic, but it's really compact logic. Literals, classes, quantifiers, anchors. The scary password pattern is just conditions plus a length rule. Don't let Regex intimidate you. Subscribe for more breakdowns and try one pattern tonight. You'll see the logic everywhere.